Hello, my name is Axel Kraus. I am an orthopedic technician, a specialist in foot orthotics, a posture and movement coach, and a passionate barefoot runner. The Rolo foot roller is one of RUCK's traditional products. Back in 1956, Helmut Ruck Sr. developed simple and effective exercises for healthy feet. Okay, now we are going to start with the first exercise, using the RUCK Rolo. This is the RUCK Rolo, and we will also need the silicone rings. They are available in 3 different sizes: large, medium, and small. In your case, it looks as if the medium ring will fit best. Do not pull it too far back into the crease of the toe. The further the silicone ring sits in the toe crease, the more the toe tends to slip away. So make sure the ring sits roughly like this, with the nail still slightly visible at the front. Now place both feet on the Rolo. Move back a little on the roller. Yes, exactly. Now roll forward slowly. As you move forwards, guide your feet and toes slightly outwards. This creates a gentle pull on the big toe, or on both big toes, helping to counteract hallux valgus. Apply light pressure and move outwards. Exactly. And then roll back again. Now again, light pressure outwards. Not too much. Very good. Wonderful. Here we create a slight stretch in the metatarsophalangeal joint of the big toe. The silicone ring gently pulls the big toe inwards, stretching the joint capsule around the base joint of the big toe. At the same time, the Rolo massages the muscles of the sole and the tendons on the underside of the foot. A wonderful training device. Very good. Okay, great. Thank you. Now we will do the second exercise. This exercise is about mobilizing the ankle joint. For this, please place your right heel on your left knee. Exactly. With your left hand, hold the heel bone firmly. With your right hand, take hold of the foot and pull it towards the shin. Pull it upwards. Wonderful. Now hold this position for about 20 seconds. Here you can clearly see how the long flexor tendon of the big toe is being stretched. The plantar tendon is also stretched, and to some extent, the Achilles tendon as well. This exercise helps to mobilize the ankle joint and stretch the flexor muscles of the sole of the foot. Good. And now release. Okay, very good. Now we will do another exercise. This one is about mobilizing the base joints of the toes. Please cross your right leg over your left leg. Exactly. Now support the base joints slightly with your fingers. Yes, like that. Great. Hold against it from here. Now press down from above with your fingers. Exactly. Move each toe down individually. Yes. Great. Exactly. Again, do not apply too much pressure. We do not want any injuries. We want mobile toes. And if it cracks, do not worry. That can happen. It just should not hurt. Simply move the toe down and then back again. Please repeat this twice for each toe. Second toe. Yes. Good. And the third toe. Okay, and now the little toe as well. Very good. Great. Thank you. Now we will do another exercise. This one is called the caterpillar walk. For this, we have placed a towel on the floor. Please place one foot halfway onto the towel. Now grip with your toes again and again and pull the towel towards you. Exactly, and pull, and pull, and pull. Great, very good. Okay, good. Now we change to the other side. Place the foot halfway onto the towel and pull. Very good. Yes, wonderful. Great. Very good. Thank you. Now we will do another exercise. This one is called the two-fist exercise. Please make two fists and place your hands together. Exactly. Now place your fists between your knees. Position your legs hip-width apart. Press your knees firmly against your fists and bring your toes towards each other and back again. We will do 3 repetitions in total. Yes, let the toes touch. Great. And back again. And once more. Pull them in. Yes. And back again. Great. Thank you. Now we have another exercise for the feet. This is a mobility and coordination exercise. For this, we take the RUCK silicone rings from the RUCK rolo and place them on the floor. This is the large ring. This is the medium ring. And this is the small ring. Now please place them inside each other according to size. Yes, great. Very good. So here we have the large ring, then the medium one, and then the small one. Now place the medium ring inside the large one and the small ring inside the medium one. Exactly. Grip it with your toes. Great. Great. One little tap and the puzzle fits. Very good. Thank you. Now we will do one more exercise for the plantar tendon, also known as the plantar fascia. For this, we use the RUCK rolo. Please place one foot on the training device. Yes, exactly. Great. Now slowly roll forwards. Great. And back again. Now look for a point that feels slightly uncomfortable. Once you find it, stay on that point and apply gentle pressure. Hold the pressure for 5 to 10 seconds. Then release and continue rolling. Is there another pressure point there? Okay, wonderful. Stay on it and hold. Very good. And then roll back again. Now forwards once more and stop. Now release again. And finished. Very good. Great. Thank you. Toe mobility is the key to foot health, as Helmut Ruck Sr. said back in 1956. Just a few minutes of training per day can make a real difference. Rolo foot roller. Simple, proven, effective.